Tim Eagle here. Welcome back to Dark Nest Travels. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed that clip of that eagle. It was off from M46 and we were on one of our adventures out to Country View Market, which I've reviewed in some of our local travels videos. It was uncanny to find an eagle flying across the road, but Maria talked me into doing a U-turn and we were able to get that. Unfortunately, I only had my phone, so digital zoom is the only option with phones. I didn't have my Canon PowerShot, which has 30 times optical zoom, which would have given you great detail. Maybe next time I will get a better shot for all of you. On this episode of Dark Nest Travels, we have antiques, something Maria and I have completely done over the years and have mastered the art of. Some of our favorite stores up here are Sunshiners and Four Corners Vintage and More in Peck. It's a really great place run by a great hardworking woman. So I definitely encourage you to shop at those two local stores if you ever have the moment or opportunity to do so. We're thinking about hanging that at Dark Nest somewhere. I think it'll look good in front of our window. There's our first hanging item. We just purchased that. I just showed you at the antique store. And you could actually put a candle on the bottom, which you probably never will, but it looks pretty cool, intricate. Let me see if I can get a better. There's some color. The tickle trunk. There's the stamp. Exterior. It looks like they put belts on the sides. That could be fixed if you wanted to. There's the back. And I'm going to show you the interior. That's how much room you have in there. We have some of these in our house at Dark Nest. And here's some in an antique store. I was telling you about some of those chocolate molds we've seen in that one antique store. There are some of ours. We got quite the collection. And here's just a few. Our biggest piece we got in Goodlettsville is up on top of the refrigerator. There's a lot of weird things here. Small St. Anger there. There's a couple more. Those two fish up there are from Maine, a flea market we went to on our first vacation together. And there's our big one from Goodlettsville, Kentucky. That big one right there in the corner. And there's a couple more way up there. How'd you like some of the antiques at Dark Nest? Well, I have something new to show you in just a second. Alright, this is the chalkboard, and it goes all along this wall. These are just some of the people that signed it. All of us signed it, and the kids signed it. This is in our master bedroom, actually, and it says the date that we purchased it. Lots of signatures of everyone that's visited in Dark Nest. it's one of those nostalgic things. So I just wanted to give you guys a glimpse of that. It was a kind of a rare find when we purchased and renovated it. I hope all of you had an opportunity to watch The Passage or catch up on The Passage. It's a great series that I recommended in the last Darkness Travels video. Recently, we just finished the Umbrella Academy, which is a really great show, and Dating Around, which isn't for everybody, but I thought it was a great reality-based Netflix TV show. And I definitely recommend watching that. If you're open-minded and want to see the dating scene in New York, it's mostly based on 5 blind dates and whether they choose a second date with one of those 5 blind dates. So I do want to take the time to welcome subscriber 71 and 72. We are up to 72 subscriber folks, and that means a big deal to me. We are 28 subscribers away from customizing our URL on YouTube, and I would really love to encourage people subscribing here, helping us get to our goal of 100 by the end of June. So encourage your family and friends to come along and subscribe to Darkness Travels. We'd really appreciate it.
And now for something completely different.
These glasses make my face look fat. This is my new comic book look. Thanks again for stopping by, supporting my channel here. Appreciate all of your support, always. Even if you watch 20 seconds of my videos, the support is there. Please like, comment, and share below. And make sure you drop me a line in a comment, or if you have my email or my phone number, shoot me a text. I'm open for any of that. So thanks again for stopping by. We'll see you soon.